she goes, guys. There she goes. Alright, guys. So, yes, my truck is finished. We got Nick right here. We out here at the boat launch. You guys want to know why we at the boat launch? We had to get a photo op. Oh, I'm in your picture, my fault. We had to get a photo op. So I'm finna just turn around and let y'all see it. But before I do that, y'all already know I gotta roll the clip, man.
This shit crazy. Jimmy on the beat, boy.
Alright, y'all saw that clip. Now I'm just going ahead, turn around, show y'all what we out here doing. We got Zeus sitting up here, lit up. You know what I'm saying? See my boy? Get that mcgaughy. Oh, okay. RC who? Alright, we got Nick out here. You see my boy? We got Landon. We got Martin Monster Truck over here. Hey Mark, we gotta get you lit up, man, for real.
I got the lights at the house, I ain't got to put on yet.
Yeah, we gotta go ahead and get them lit up, for real. But yeah, y'all see we got a little photo op out here. Martin sitting higher than me, that boy at 12. I'm at 9, he making me look like a little boy, for real. But yeah, y'all see my boy, happy to have my boy done, for real. Happy to have my truck done, got the lift done. Y'all already know we not done with the truck, we not done. But for right now, we just gonna chill on it, you know what I'm saying? We finna go to Scrapin, go have some fun down there Scrapin. If y'all subscribe to me, y'all see me there, dab me up. Man, y'all show love for real, cause I'm gonna show love back to y'all. And yeah, so that's all we got for this video. We just finna get some pictures, some videos out here. And we got some rollers, so yeah, that's all I got for this video though. Y'all be cool.